Kindly copy the link given in the description below. Go to any browser, paste the given link. Select 1 month period. Select purpose as bonus issue. Then click on Submit button. Bonus issue of that particular month will be displayed. Now click on Download icon. Now open downloaded file. Right-click on C column. Click on Delete and delete that column. Then save the file. Close the Excel. Now open iRecord software. Go to Corporate Actions. Select Bonus Auto Upload. Click on Add button. Click on Bonus. Click on Selected Member. Select the member. Select the file to import. Select respective DMAT account. Select the consultant name if any. Select respective month. Click on OK button. Kindly verify your data. Refer bonus issue and bonus received quantity. Now click on Save button. Close this window. To check your entries again, go to Corporate Actions. Select Bonus Manual Entry. Click on Search. Search your script. Refer the same entries as shown in reports. Go to Reports. Select STLT Speculation. Click on Select Script. Select Script. Click on Details Profit, Loss with Rate. Click OK. After that you will get your results. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.